Okay, let's see it. Now, we sent 3 boxes, but I only wanted 1 second day air, so we could like get this on the car before the event. And hopefully they did the right one. Nope, they didn't do the right one. They sent the wrong one. Well, that sucks. At least I got my manifold back. Well, okay, guys, so here is the big change. This is kind of like a smorgasbord of stuff with our production hot side kit. And we are finally going to start mocking up what we perceive is going to be our production intercooler, unless we run into some major issues with this actual test fit. But ideally, what's going to happen is what you guys have seen before will be able to hide the whole system if you do it right. Like if you route the charge pipes from the turbo around to the side, you might be able to have the factory engine appearance package covers on it and hide the whole system and make it a stealth kit. We have some other tricks coming up that is gonna take us all the way there, we think. But first, we got to get this intercooler sorted out. We're not gonna get all the tricks done before Cadillac Attack in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. But ideally, we should get the intercooler working and hopefully do some really, really good things with it. Okay, let's rip this thing apart and find out if it fits. So here's the smorgasbord that we made right now. And the intercooler should fit basically right here. And we're gonna find out in a sec. Let me get it and mock it up. Okay, so we might run into an issue here. And my issue is that our inlets might be kind of out of reach, going the way that we were originally intending them to go. So that should fit in there just like that. Like actually a little bit further back.
Does it have room to go back up?
Yeah. Yeah, we can test it real quick. Check this out. We got the technology.
No, I just can't leave it. There's nothing to hold it.
Here, okay, I'm bracing it from this side. Yeah, and yeah, tons of room.
So hold it there.
Holding it there.
Oh wow, okay.
So that's enough clearance.
So the bottom can come out to like here, right there.
Okay.
So my charge pipes come up right here.
Mm-hmm.
It could probably just go like that. Be ideal if you had like it here instead.
Mm-hmm.
Because then I can go right into my charge pipe. But it would work either way.
Yeah, like a 130 turn or something like that.
There would be room for a blowout here then.
Would there?
Yeah, because there's enough. It would just be enough room if you put it
Okay.
as close as possible. Yeah.
Cool.
Well, wait. Why doesn't this work with yours?
Look, try to get the. Well, I mean, maybe it could. It would have to do some tricky shit.
I mean,
the inlets. Yeah, the inlets are just like not really in a great spot to get to it.
Yeah,
I think that.
Are definitely in the way.
Yeah, and we have to design it around the cats. So I think that we need to really explore now the idea of the stealth as actually the production then.
The only problem with that is that's all glued fiberglass.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah.
And there's no passage into it. I remember when we had this all apart, there's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing right there, as far as I could tell. I'd like to. Maybe I can reference a previous video. Yeah, I had intentions of like snaking through here.
That's really
but
tight.
Yeah, I know, and I know it's tight, and I can fit like that hose through, which
it's not a straight shot.
No, it's not. It's you got to do like some serious stuff. Like it's not metal pipes not going through there. We'd have to have custom silicone pipes
so I
done.
could connect these. Like you could 90 down 45 in, and then 90 that way, and then another 45. It'd be like a snake. But there is room to do that. Ideally, though, these need to be like here or something. It's gonna be close.
Yeah.
Especially because of this freaking part here. I don't even know if this will fit with my ECU that sits here. Fine.
Oh, your Terminator sits up there?
If that gets changed out, then it would fit, but that's a big ass answer. It's a V for victory.
Hey, you can keep the Terminator cool. Just mount it to the back of this. Well, this will be a tri-pass intercooler setup because we'll leave the intake manifold.
Cool.
You have to have this first, that second. So this is the cooler water.
Yeah. They have a hell of a pump. Well, shit. Okay, so we have our idea for the intercooler setup. It is looking good. It looks like it's going to be modular for the rear mount setup and also the mid mount setup. You can see how we have pulled things apart now to finalize what we're looking for in terms of the production kit. And Eric is pivoting the meth injection over, since I'm going to need it for the event. I'm going to pivot the meth injection over to the factory LT2 intake manifold. So we can run this and ideally look good doing it. What do you think? You think we're going to look good?
I hope so.
Me too. And then we're going to work on our port injection for this after we get back, but port injection is just not attainable before the event, Cadillac Attack. Oh boy. That. You know what? If it sits up about an inch for the port injection, I think that's going to look really good. Oh boy, it looks like we are getting close. We got the factory intake manifold on with our meth setup, and then it's got the one pipe on for the, the one charge pipe on. We have to modify it a little bit. Going to try to get it powder coat it real quick and get the blow-off valves, reroute it there, but it's looking pretty darn good so far. Hopefully the other side fits, because if it doesn't, we're kind of effed. All right, well, thanks to Phil from Holly Sheet Metals, who is our neighbor. We got the pipes powder coated, and he welded on a flange for our tiny blow-off valves on our small charge pipes, one on each side. Check that out. That's really excellent. Now these were, we did these before, but now it like looks legit. Legit! I'm excited. I don't know what to do. What do I do with my hands? I'm not gonna do anything because I hurt.
Kind of funky looking.
Oh, cool. You hid all the secret stuff,
Yeah,
so I don't have to blur anything out.
yeah, look at that. Would you look at that?
Cool. It's a bit big over here.
Yeah, ideally what I need is a 30-degree bending reducer to go down to like 375, but this will do for now. I was worried about the pole lines down there being next to the cat. Yeah. Oh yeah. It looked like this is off here. 230. Cat shell, 91.
So it's warming up as it gets to where the air's coming in? So, because the air
Coldest
is
is
here, and then here, so it'll cool it, and then it'll cool it even better. Like, I feel like the air's just going to come in and go straight this way. Like, it's not really going to utilize down here. Well, surprise. How
It's starting to frost.
You know, down here it's getting cold.
I did this to mine and it ice formed on it. It might not right away. This is also not the coolest point. The coolest point's down here.
You might be there a while.
Okay, so we got the production system. It's all running. The IAT right now with the interchiller, the forced induction interchiller, is 30 freaking degrees. Oh my gosh. So the IAT is 30 degrees right now.
Let's see if you can beat my record of 14.
14?
That's where mine got to.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know if I can beat 14. But you know what? Today's a cooler day, so perhaps. It's like 55, 60 in the shop right now. It's at 28 degrees. Holy shit! I like this new intercooler setup. So it is the time to drive down. You guys know that I put a feeler out there if I should actually drive the car to Florida, and I want to, but I'm gonna trailer because the people that are going to bring my wheels down are no longer going. So unfortunately, I need the space to bring all the equipment that I need to race. Also, it was supposed to be freezing rain today, and I thought, wow, that would be a really bad day to leave. And then on the way back, there's supposed to be a snowstorm the Sunday and Monday that I would be returning. So I feel like it's smarter if I just trailer, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we can take out 3 of my possessions with 1 stone. So if you guys are going to Cadillac Attack, I will see you there. I brought some koozies and I brought some keychains for you all. So if you do see me, ask for them. I'm going to be giving them away for free. Just get the name out there. Complete Street Performance. I'm not bringing anything else. I'm not selling anything. I'm going to have a banner up. You'll be able to find me, and I'll be able to show you guys the car. So I hope to see you there. And I hope we all have a great time. And I'm hoping that I win my own index class. That'd be badass. But we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. Adios.